Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. What we're going to do here is cover the Workspot design concepts. So this playbook is intended for MSPs, partners, and customers that want to deploy Workspot, anywhere from a simple lab environment to a full-blown enterprise solution. So what we'll do here is walk through the fundamental design concept and show you how it'll scale out. Now, this is another variation of this, is where we have the peer over to the cloud, but also there's a requirement because we need to be in some sort of hybrid scenario where we still have to provision desktops from Workspot from on-premises. So we could support connection to a vCenter or Nutanix Prism, where Workspot control, it talks to those components, and from there we can actually provision desktops onto the customer's hardware. So if you think of situations where we need to be able to work in a hybrid mode, hey, we're on-prem, we can't get these users off-prem, you can consider keeping your old legacy solution there for a while, or you could actually start leveraging Workspot to start to provision those workloads. And then while the cloud-based Workspot workloads, we just continue to do those as normal. So there's a couple different variations on how you'd want to approach this, but that's the fundamental design. So like I said, we do support on-premises, vSphere, Nutanix at the moment, because that's the most common hypervisors out there that we see. We in the past have supported other hypervisors, but we really don't see them out there, so we don't really maintain the support for those. I figured most of the world's on vSphere and Nutanix at this point.